Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nat here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the error connection reset on Chrome in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type CMD. The best result is command prompt, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive an user account control, click on yes and type ipconfig space / and type flush DNS and hit enter. ipconfig space / flush DNS. Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolve cache, and type the second command net sh win sock space reset and hit enter. You can receive this message: successfully reset the WinSock catalog. Just must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. And to apply the change, go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart and wait a moment. Log in with your PIN or password. And this is all. Your problem has been fixed. You can try open that up any web browser. In this case, I use Google Chrome and search for example Taylor Swift, for example. And your internet connection works properly and works fine. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.